He said he finna give me the best put him in the coffin I ever seen. Why I said world star hip hop, bitch. Put him in the coffin.
We finna go crazy in this bitch.
Gang. You know what we finna do with it. We finna do it. Oh, damn, somewhere.
Where? Where you want to do it?
Anywhere.
Go ahead, tell me.
Jump on top of them bitches.
Right here?
Yeah, go ahead.
Put them in a. Put them in a.
He fell, bro. Damn, I work here. I'm behind the counter at 7-Eleven. How you doing, baby? I can't come in. We'll ring somebody up.
Come on. Excuse me. Hello, excuse me.
Huh?
You cannot come. This is our case count.
We need to ring somebody up. Hold this, bro. Hold this like this. Hold this like this. This way. Put him in a fucking coffin, bitch.
Put them in a motherfucking coffin, boy.
You know how we rockin', man? It's not recording. It's not recording. You said what? You said what? What happened? You calling 911?
No,
you calling 911? Call him. Hurry up. Call 911. Hurry up. Call him right now. Call him. Motherfucker. You heard of me? Put him in a fucking coffin. I'm on World Star. Go crazy. I'm famous as hell. Call him. Hold on. Call him. Why you scared? Call him.
Hello, I am from 45.
45. We in fucking 7-Eleven on Chicago Ave. Put him in a fucking coffin, bitch.
Hey, World Star, though. World Star. Put him in a motherfucking coffin, boy. Yeah, we right out this bitch, boy. Don't sit.
Get it. No, get in, dummy.
That was too funny.